about maths. The same question again. Think about it. And today's topic is HCF and LCM. So, what is meant by HCF and LCM? Do you know? The full form of HCF and LCM is HCF is equal to highest common factor and LCM is equal to lowest common multiple. So, this is the textbook of HCF and LCM SSC board. So, in this video, we have to learn the terms such as co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers, factorizing a number into its prime factors, and so on. So, what is meant by co-prime numbers? Let's see. Two numbers which have only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime or relatively or mutually prime numbers. For example, 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers because the divisors of 10 and 1, 2, 5, 10, while the divisors of 21 and 1, 3, 7, 21, and the only common factor to both 10 and 21 is 1. So it means that you first have to write the factors of the two numbers, and then you have to do if it is the one only the common factor, then you have to you can say that they are the co-prime numbers. So in this, the common factors is only 1 and 1. So we can say that they are co-prime numbers. Now let's move to twin prime numbers. So, if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, the number is said to be co-prime number. So, see, 7 and 10 are co-prime numbers, and so if their difference is 2, then we can say they are twin prime numbers. Example: 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 21, 31, 29, 31. So this is practice set. You may practice it by pausing the video and taking down notes of mine. So, factorizing a number, a simple but important rule given by Euclid is often used by the GCD or FCF. So, HCF is also called GCD and LCM of numbers. The rule says any composite number can be written as the product of prime number. So, what is meant by composite numbers? Then write the answer in the comment section below. Then remember, so we have to, if any factor, we have to go. If this vertical arrangement, observe it. What do you see? You see that it is divided by on and on. So 24, we have to take the lowest prime number, lowest. Then 24 it is also divided by 3, but it is also divided by 2. 3 is greater prime number than 2, so divided by 2, and so on. To write a given number as a product of its prime factors is to factorize it into prime numbers. Greatest common divisor or highest common factor. in this, it is easy to find the HCF of numbers by first factorizing all the numbers. So in this, if the sum is 24 and 32, then first factorize this and factorize this, and then the common factors means 2, 2, 2 and 3, and 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So take out the common factors in both of them and multiply them. And if also that the easy way, just write the numbers in line and divide them by, and then multiply the divisors, and then you have the HCF or GCD. If one of the given numbers is a divisor of all the others, then it is HCF of a given number. Dear, so listen, if you want notes, you can stop the video by your choice and take down the notes. If no prime number is a common divisor of all the given numbers, then 1 is the HCF because it is the only common divisor. These are the properties. Something more. 2 is the HCF of any consecutive even numbers, and 1 is the HCF of any two consecutive odd numbers. Verify the rule by taking different examples. This is the division method of finding the HCF. So you have to do division, but in different way. You have to put another half circle and then write the divisors there. So, and if the last number, which is when the remainder is 0, that number is HCF. So here the HCF is 36. Practice set. Least common multiple, lowest or least. The least common multiple of the given is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the number. It is also same, but we have to multiply all the numbers here and reach till 1. Use of HCF and HCF. Then remember, if the greatest of the given number is divisible by the other number, then the greatest number is the LCM of the given number. So I will give you some sums. Solve it. So these are the sums, observe them, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the videos. Thank you. We will meet in our next video.